Nature mandalas are a fun and creative way to spend time making art in nature, and they're perfect for all ages, which makes them super great for homeschooling families. Let's get started. You're going to be using foraged and found natural elements for this art project. We suggest that you collect them in a reusable grocery bag, but really any bag you have on hand will do the trick. You might want to bring along more than one bag if you have a lot of participants or if you plan on making an extra large mandala. Some ideas of things to collect might be leaves, pine cones, acorns, rocks, or berries. You'll try to collect sets of 3 to 20 of each thing. Keep in mind that as your mandala grows in size, more natural elements of each type will be needed to keep the design symmetrical. When you're ready to start creating your mandala, find a space that's sheltered from the wind and has room for your mandala to grow. Now, spread out your foraged and found natural elements and then group them together by type so you have easy access to everything. Then choose a single, unique natural object to be the center point of your mandala. Maybe an interesting pine cone, maybe a rock, maybe a twig. You'll radiate patterns of objects out from the center point using a spoke-like or circular pattern. Remember, you want to keep your mandala symmetrical and balanced. Be sure to take photos of your mandala and capture a sketch and a few words about the process in your nature journal when you're done. That's it. With a little creativity and some natural elements, you can create a beautiful and unique nature mandala this year.